Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Pumpkin 1 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of Pumpkin 1 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts, and yes, this puzzle has 3 parts, inside the frame in such a way that they're gonna cover the whole opening. Now, as you can see, this puzzle is unsolved, it is shipped unsolved, so you have to figure out the way how to fit all 3 parts inside first and then to remove them again. And you have to cover the whole opening, since now it is only like 2/3 of it are covered, but there are 2 voxels left that are uncovered. This puzzle has 3 parts, as I told you, and as always, each part has completely different shape, and you have to figure out the way how to assemble them inside the frame. This puzzle is made of 2 different kinds of wood, pear and babinga, what's make it look beautiful and kind of look like a pumpkin. That's why this puzzle has its name. If you like Pumpkin 1 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So I will put the frame aside and I'll start with creating a shape that I'm gonna put inside the frame. I'll find the correct shape first, then I'll try to figure out the way how to remove it from the imagined frame, and then I'll try to assemble it inside the frame. So how it's supposed to be, that looks like it. So if I'll try to imagine that there is a frame like this around my structure, so what I can do, I can move this piece first, next I can move this piece will go up, this piece on the front will go to the right, this goes down, and seems like I can remove this piece, and now I can remove these 2 parts. So I'll start by putting these 2 parts inside. I think this goes first. I'll give you a better look of this piece. It goes first like this. The next piece is going to be this one, and I have to fit it under the first piece that I put inside. And now I have to fit the next piece. It goes right here. You have to push it inside. Now we can push it inside again. What is going to be the next move? Now you have to move this piece up. This piece on the front is supposed to go to the left, and the 3rd piece will fall down. Now you have to move this piece inside and move this piece inside as well, and the puzzle is solved. That was the way how you can put all 3 parts inside the frame, and since this puzzle is solved unsolved, so you have to put all parts inside first and then remove them. So I'll complete the solution by removing all 3 parts. So the first piece, if you put the frame like this, the first piece goes this way, next this piece goes to the left. The 3rd piece, you can try to move it up like this, or you can just flip the puzzle upside down and hold the piece. Now move this piece on the front to the right, and the piece on the left will fall down. You have to move it 1 step towards yourself, 1 step to the left, and remove it. And now it's going to be pretty easy to remove 2 other parts from the puzzle. So that was the solution of Pumpkin 1 puzzle. I showed you how to put all 3 parts inside and then remove them from the frame. If you like Pumpkin 1 puzzle, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!